goats are too fat for this thing.
So who's winning? You guys or Jenny?
No, I'm winning.
Call her over there. Get her to play with you.
Over there.
Look, I'm taller
than
her,
Jenny.
so I'm winning.
Go tell her to play with y'all.
Jenny, come here. No. Jenny.
Hey, there's not a slide over here. There's steps.
Okay. Well, then go down. Jenny, no.
I'm still up here first. You can't get
No,
up here
I
now.
was up here. I took it over.
Go get him, Jenny.
I got Crocs on. This is
Goodbye.
my safety.
Jenny, come here. Jenny, come here. Jenny, come here. No.
Oh, I got you off.
No. Jenny, come here.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike of Fowler Family Farm. And I just got back from church. And we've got company over from Texas. It's my best friend from high school. They now live in west of Fort Worth in Texas. They love coming down to the farm and participating and getting involved. And my buddy loves getting on the tractor and working on the tractor. So I've got him on the tractor scraping the driveway right now. They've never done it before. And to be honest with you, I've never done it before. But they've been watching YouTube videos all morning, trying to figure out how to do this. And they've got it down pat. Him and his son, Blake, they do a real good job of getting in and helping. They love it. And we love having them down here, so they're great people. One of the box blades that has the spikes at the front of it. What do you think, Papa? Did you see it? Meemaw, what do you think?
What? The tractor's running. I think there's an answer in here that we need to...
That's all you got to say? Meemaw doesn't like to be on video. So this is Meemaw and Pawpaw.
I forget everything whenever somebody's pointing at me with a camera.
So you don't remember anything?
I don't remember nothing.
Okay, I just showed you guys Meemaw and Pawpaw. For you guys that are new to the channel, that's my mom and dad, Meemaw and Pawpaw. Some of y'all may have noticed, I can't remember if looking on the screen if it showed my dad's leg. My dad is an amputee. He's had an artificial leg for about 20 years now, almost, due to diabetes. He's got diabetes. He's Native American, and they're very susceptible to that. And he's had it since his early 20s. As a matter of fact, I think he left the military pretty much because they diagnosed him with diabetes in the military. But he's doing pretty good now. He's used to his leg. He deals with it. He's actually the leg that you probably saw in the video, maybe. It's broken, so he's waiting on his new leg to get in. That's why it's exposed like that. Normally it just looks like his other leg. You can't even really tell he's got a fake leg. But so that's Meemaw and Pawpaw for you guys that are new. My mom's name's Kay, my dad's name's Bill, but they go by Meemaw and Pawpaw to everybody. It rained quite a bit yesterday. It probably rained an inch. And they say it's best to do this right after it rains, so the ground's not so hard. But this driveway dries up pretty darn quick. But it's already done pretty good. It's already made a huge difference. We're gonna rake it or scrape it, and then we're gonna actually have some more gravel delivered as well. There's Uno. This little Boston was from R.E.M. Bodie's litter last year, about the same time last year. And he was the only one we've ever had that was born with an all-white face. And we thought that was pretty unique and pretty cool looking, so our friends from Texas, our best friends, they bought him. Uno, say hi. Okay, so now Scott's got the tractor. We've tilted the blade, or we've angled the blade so the hump in the middle will go to one side or the other, depending on which direction we're going. And Scott loves this stuff. That's why he's on the tractor. He lives in the city. He loves coming down to the farm, working like this. He doesn't get a chance to do this kind of work. Okay, so this box blade's actually done pretty well, and it's moved everything over. We don't have quite as big as a hump anymore. I know it's hard for y'all to see this on video. It just kind of looks like dirt and rocks. But this hump right here is pretty massive, and it's pushing everything over now. We've got it angled. We were using it straight on, no angle to it. Now we have it angled to where it's going to push while we're scraping over to one side, whatever side we're angling it to. And you can see right here is where it's pushing it right now, so it's done a pretty good job. The tractor is actually mine, my tractor, but the box blade is a friend of ours that goes to church with us. He let us borrow it. And for the whole month of May, we got rain just about every day. It was terrible. There was a 2-day period where we got over 12 inches rain in 48 hours. And it washed a lot of our driveway away. Like you can't, this one's way better now. You can't really see it probably. But that was a way bigger valley, and it's just keep pushing gravel in there. But I think we got rain every day of the month in May. And now's the best time for us to try to push this gravel back in place, because we just got about an inch of rain yesterday, so this gravel's pretty loose right now. Yeah, that's good. Hey, Jenny. Hey, girl. You watching your goats? Your head's already too big to get through there. When we first got Jenny, She could fit her head all the way through those squares. Now, she can't do it. She's grown a lot already. Yeah, when I look through the phone through this, y'all just see it doesn't really show what we have seen it do. I mean, there's a big valley, and now it's pretty much level. It's pretty flat. So that box blade does a really good job on this. The county's coming out hopefully within the next week or two and adding a 10 horn for us. And that's our biggest concern. That's our biggest problem is we don't have a way to keep the water from the road from coming down our driveway. So it gets so right here at where our road meets the county road, where our driveway meets the county road, the water just builds up there and just starts flowing down our driveway. And if we had a 10 horn, we could correct that because the water just comes straight off the road. It hits this side of our pasture and just follows right along here and hits our driveway and goes down. Okay, so my buddy Scott is taking that old Waverunner right there. He loves tinkering with old stuff that has a hard time running. Pull it with the four-wheeler over to his trailer. He brought his trailer with him to load this up. I think this is a 93 maybe? Yamaha Waverunner. Four-wheeler pulling. The tires are flat though. Well, I gotta get better at YouTubing. I didn't record us using the tractor to pick that up and put it on the trailer. Sometimes I space recording something. I gotta get better at it. But that is what we use. We just use these hay spikes to pick up the Sea-Doo or the Waverunner with the trailer on it already. We raised it up and Tanya backed the truck up enough that we could lower it back down on there and then pushed it on. Pretty simple.
Out of there, it won't come out. But you gotta roll that. Pull it tight. It won't come. And then if you need to tighten it up, like when you stop down the road and you check it and that's loose, then you can just pull this out and you got extra right there that you can make it, you can go tighter. And then just pull it tight again. Over. Tie it on. Well, I learned something new today. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up another video. I just wanted to give y'all a quick look at what we do. Every once in a while on a Sunday, we come out here and do, some farm chores. We've been meaning to do that driveway for a while. I've had that box blade for probably 3 weeks now and just now got around to doing it to where I had the time to do it.
you got to prioritize what you're doing on the farm. And today was a good day to do that. So we knocked it out, got it done, and on to the next project. I do appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to go down there and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button for us, guys. It really helps us out. And we will see y'all in the next video. God bless. Let me say, Blake. Oh, it's a moss fish.
Gotta cut a moss fish. I've been catching moss all day.
Well, this one came up with the fish, though. Oh, that's one of the smaller ones.
Hey, can you hold the... I caught a moss fish.